Hey guys, welcome back to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, and hopefully give you guys some homemaking inspiration. So if you like any of those and you're new, I would love for you to hit that like button, subscribe, and notification bell. It definitely helps out my channel. And leave me a comment down below because I always like to get to know who all is watching me on here. So I have been gone for quite a while here on YouTube, and I will share more about that in the video later on. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get right into it.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no...
Guys, I cannot believe I chopped my head off in this whole entire clip. I have no excuses. I guess I'm a little rusty coming back to YouTube. But I figured now would be a good time for me to get on and chat with you guys. So if you followed me for a while, I told you guys that we are trying to figure out some health things with my husband. He's gotten some good news. We're still in the process of finding out from his kidney doctor whether or not he has a hereditary condition called polycystic kidney disease, but we haven't gotten a firm diagnosis for that. So we, have been paying obviously a lot of attention to that. I also have been trying to focus on my weight loss right now. I've been going to the gym regularly, and it's just been hard to film and just edit videos altogether. This is just a hobby for me. I do it for fun, and so I've really just been focused on that because I want to get myself all back in shape, and those have been the top priorities for us, is like our health comes first. So the other things that I told you guys about that are kind of separate from that are we got the exterior of the house painted. I'm hoping to share that with you guys on my fall home tour. We got plantation shutters installed, so I had a lot of workers here. If you guys heard Cora, I had to stop the recording. But yeah, so we had a lot of things going on with that. And then if you guys follow me over with my community tab, you saw that we have a new hobby that we started. This also kind of goes with our whole health thing that we've been focusing on, but we decided to buy e-bikes. We have started mountain biking, and we bought e-bikes. I'm hoping to get some footage of that. I will insert a little clip of Jeff and Jenson from this weekend at the very end of the video if you guys want to see that, but I am absolutely loving this new sport. It gets us out in nature, which is so, so good for everybody. And we've got the whole family doing it. So very excited about that. And I wanted to share that with you guys. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm going to stop talking so you guys can get some more cleaning motivation. And that's about it.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
You guys can see my little Cora Sue sitting right next to me. She just loves to follow me around and just watch what I'm doing. But I wanted to give this room a nice deep clean. I'm sorry the angles are probably not the best. I need to get back into the groove of things. But I'm trying to get everything more deep cleaned. I don't know how much I'll have in the next video, but I'm trying to get ready to put out my fall decor and do my fall home tour. So I've already started setting up things outside, but I haven't pulled anything from the inside. Now, I do try to keep it very minimal. If you guys have watched me, I had a lot of minimalism videos, and I've definitely got some decluttering that needs to be done coming up. And I just don't like to have a ton of stuff, so it really helps me keep things all in check. So I try and just have one storage container for each holiday or thing that I like to decorate for, except Christmas. Christmas is the only one that I have more than one tub, and it's because a lot of stuff I've inherited and just don't want to part with right now. So I try to keep it very simple, but I like to just kind of sprinkle it on the outside, on the inside, and just make it, just feel warm and welcoming and just kind of in, that fallish type mode and getting ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas. I don't really do anything Halloween, although I did purchase one really cool thing that is kind of like a Halloween feature, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. It's on the outside, but it's super cool. I got it from a kind of like a craft antique store. So it's like handmade out of like a vintage oil can. I don't know how to explain it, but I can't wait to share that with you guys. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you guys some motivation. I'm sorry it wasn't just a ton of motivation, but I'm working on it, and I hope you guys are well, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. And until then, much love always. Bye.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
This next song I found, it is a little bit strange, but the title of it is Anxiety, and that fits me perfectly. So I'm going to play it for you guys. I know I already told you guys bye, but I wanted to come on and say that. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's a word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heart beat raising. Oh, it doesn't work. what made I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heart beat raising. Oh, it doesn't work. I try to work. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best